What's going on? Fearless Training Athletics, baby. You know what I mean? First of all, just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Finally hit 500, baby. 500, baby. I want to say thank y'all, man. And another thing, man, sorry for not making this video sooner, man. With my work and everything, we done got real busy again. So that's another reason I haven't been posting a lot of videos and everything. But hey, it's coming back around, baby. Give me a little time. Peace out, bye, baby. Appreciate all the support, man. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, baby. Out. What's up? What's up? All my Fearless Training Athletics, baby. Man, y'all know what time it is, bro. Back in this gym, baby. Got my big bro with me today, baby. Back in the same, man. Doing these old pull-ups right here. First of all, though, I'd like to give a major shout out to my beat man, my producer, man. EJ over there at Beat Depot, man. He hooked me up with these new beats y'all hear, man. He just made a 40-track beats mixtape, man. Y'all need to count that, man. He got some 5 tracks on there. But we hitting this thing right here, man. Doing these pendulum rolls, man. Getting more explosion with them, you know what I'm saying? Letting it rest on the floor and exploding up. And really hit that back, baby. Hit that, hit your lats, man. Real good. Upper, middle, all that, man. This shit right here, what it is, baby. Then we moved on over here, man. Got this bench set up right here, slightly inclined. You know what I'm saying? Pulling it to our belly button, trying to get a good squeeze at the top. Yeah, man, y'all need to try that, man. It's incline barbell rows. Support it. Hey, it really work, man. Get a good, nice, good contraction up at the top, man. That's what it's all about. That good squeeze, man. Yeah. But yeah, got my bro back over here, man. Big shouts out to him, Big Lee. We about to fuck some shit up for y'all, man. More to come, man. More to come. Right here, this is the add-on subtract bent over row, T-bar rolls. Hey, this shit right here, it hitting hard and heavy, baby. What we do, man? We doing 10 with 3 plates. Doing 10 with 2 plates, then put 3 plates back on and do 10. Hey, I'm telling you, that shit right there, it'll hit you in the kisser. It'll hit you in the kisser, man. Yeah, y'all need to try it out, man. This right here, it ain't no joke, man. It's not a game, baby. Yeah, that new Fearless Training Athletics, man. We in this thing. All these 500 subscribers. I want to tell y'all thank you, man. Ooh, that fist bump was epic, man. Yeah, moved over here to the Hammer Strength reverse grip pull downs, man. Still working on that those lats. We do 10. We're doing it like a circuit, and we move over here to the low pull. We do 10, and right on over there to the other one. We're gonna lean to it. And we're gonna grab it high and pull it. Man, you talking about all kinds of back activation, man. All kinds. Once you finish this, man, I'm telling you, you ready to run up out that gym, bro. My brother over here, man, killing it like always, man. Good to have him back, man. You know, we had to do it, man. We've been working out together for a minute, man. We back on it, man. Trying to make these gains, bro. Trying to make these gains. But you know, it is what it is, baby. It is what it is. Yeah, moved over here, man. Got these motherfucking we doing 15. We leaning on the pole, doing 15 curls. Then we're gonna do these standing curls, man. But we're gonna change it up. We're gonna keep one in the halfway position and do 2. Hold the other one, do 2. Hold it, lock it, hold it, 2. Man, you talking about all kind of attention on them biceps, man. Especially after doing back and trying to, man, hey, bro, it will humble you. It will humble you. My bro doing the same thing, man. This right here, hey, it ain't no game, man. It's not a game. We in it for the games, baby. See how you doing? Hold it up. Do 2. Hold it up. 2. Keeping that tension on there, man. That shit right here, man. Yeah. Hey, y'all try it out. All I can say, it was a good one, baby. It was a good one. Good to have my bro back.
What's up,
Tell the people what's going on, man.
Y'all might remember me, man. I had to take a little break, but I'm back with my boy. He kept it going strong. I'm proud of him, man.
Yeah.
FTA, baby.
Yeah, baby. FTA, baby. FTA. Remember that, baby. Hey, now you finna see us kill it, baby.
Miss Blue. What they say? Let's get it. You ready? Let's go. Together, me and you like peas in a pot. Weak to my knees when you touch on my body. Like Tony B, you making me hot. Touch myself, watch me.